In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add voiceovers to your Instagram Reels. This enhances engagement by personalizing the content and making it more relatable. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. Now let's say this is the reel you want to add your voiceover to. You will want to tap on Edit Video right here. Scroll rightwards and select on Voiceover. Now once you click onto this white button, your microphone will automatically get enabled and you will just have to start voicing over your reel. This allows creators to showcase their personality, adding authenticity and emotional depth. By the way, voiceovers can make your reels more accessible to a broader audience, including those who prefer audio explanations or storytelling. Well, that's how easy it is to voice over your reels on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.